To create a group email list, start by accessing the Outlook platform, either through the App Store or by visiting the website at www.outlook.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various features and options on the screen, including the ability to compose a new email, access archived messages, and manage your inbox. To create a group email list, click on Discover Groups located on the right-hand side of the screen. This will allow you to create a group that consists of your email list, making it easier to send messages to multiple recipients at once. To create a new group, click on the option at the lower part of the screen. Then enter a name for your group and add a description to explain its purpose. You'll also be able to set the privacy settings for the group, choosing whether it's for private use or public access. Additionally, you can customize settings such as language and notification preferences. Once you've set up your group, you can add email addresses to it, and you're ready to start using it. By following these steps, you can easily create a group email list and streamline your communication process.